Hey guys, it's Monday, May 4th, and we're going to start today by reviewing figurative language. We've talked about 4 different types of figurative language, and I have posted those notes for you. So Google Slide. So real quick, we'll kind of read through them so that way you can see, because you will have an assignment tomorrow that covers all 4 of these. Okay, so the first thing is a simile, comparing 2 unrelated things with an element that's shared using like or as. For example, the cheese on this pizza is as hot as lava, or Jay went off like a rocket. Then we have metaphor, comparing 2 things not using like or as. The calm lake was a mirror. Then we have personification, giving human characteristics or traits to objects such as talking, feeling, or moving. The leaves waved in the wind is an example for that. And then the last one we have is hyperbole, which is an obvious exaggeration used to emphasize a point or add excitement or humor to a story. And our example, he is the worst person alive. Okay, so those are the types of figurative language that we have gone over. No assignment today over figurative language, but make sure that you read through these so that way you're ready for your assignment tomorrow. Okay? Number the stars. Today is chapter 17. You have the choice to read it or listen to it. It's a pretty short chapter. And then your questions today do cover chapters 15 through 17, and this one is a 15-point assignment, not just 10. It does have 5 true and false, and it has 3 short answers. Guys, those of you who are losing points on the short answers could be because you're not writing in complete sentences, you're not starting with a capital or ending with punctuation. I'm still expecting that. And be specific, okay? Don't just start with cuz. You know that's not acceptable. Okay? So you have that as well. I believe that covers it for today. Again, you have figurative language. Just go back, read through those notes a few times, and then chapter 17. Read or listen to chapter 17, and then answer those questions. Okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. I really do miss you guys, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.